Now, after Assam, Uttar Pradesh is mulling over imposing schemes for controlling the rising population. Hinting at initiating such schemes, UP's Law Commission Chairman Adityanath Mittal said that those contributing towards population control will be benefited from the government. They will be able to avail government facilities. He's further added that the move is not aimed against any religion or human rights. The statement comes a day after Assam Chief Minister announced his government's proposed its two-child policy for availing government schemes and benefits. Now, the UP government has not issued any official confirmation on these lines, but the BJP leaders backed Law Commission Chairman's statement, claiming that rising population is indeed burdening resources. Meanwhile, opposition parties, including the Congress and the SP, have labelled Mittal's controversial remarks as a bid to distract people from government failures.
हम उत्तर प्रदेश में ऐसा कोई मैसेज नहीं देना चाहते कि हम किसी भी धर्म के विपरीत हैं या हम किसी की मानवीय स्वतंत्रताओं के विपरीत हैं। केवल हमारा ध्यान इस प्रकार है कि जो भी सरकारी संसाधन है, जो भी सरकारी सुविधा है, वो उन लोगों को प्राप्त हो जो जनसंख्या नियंत्रित करने में सहयोगी हैं।
भारतीय जनता पार्टी मुख्य मुद्दों पर विफल हो चुकी है बीजेपी सरकार, इसलिए वो लोगों को गुमराह करने का काम कर रही है। सच्चाई ये है कि जनसंख्या का विषय केंद्र सरकार का विषय है, एक राष्ट्र समस्या है। निश्चित तौर से कांग्रेस पार्टी भी चाहती है कि इस पर एक सार्थक बातचीत हो, इसको लेकर कोई ऐसे कदम प्रभावी उठाए जाए जिससे हम इस पर नियंत्रित कर सकें। लेकिन उत्तर प्रदेश की सरकार, उत्तर प्रदेश का राज्य विधि आयोग क्या इसके लिए सक्षम है? क्या ये उनके क्षेत्राधिकार का विषय है? ये बहुत सारी बातें हैं।
चूंकि सरकार को पता है कि उसने 4.5 साल में कोई काम नहीं किया, तो जनता का ध्यान भटकाने के लिए वो जानबूझ के इधर उधर के मुद्दे लेके आना चाहती है, करना कुछ नहीं है।
Now, Uttar Pradesh's anti-terror squad. But meanwhile, let me take you through more details from Abhishek Mishra, joining us more details on that. Abhishek, do take us through. This is a move that Uttar Pradesh is mulling over in controlling the population, rise in population of Uttar Pradesh. No official statement, but indeed a good move if implemented. But we see already political comments coming to fore on that.
Well, certainly, and before this, this whole thing came into the picture, and where the government could actually confirm anything, the politics has already emerged, and you have heard what the opposition has to say. They're saying the government is trying to distract from their failures, and that's the reason it has been talked about. But on the contrary, looking into the fact that what is required at the moment, it looks like that the government will think over it with this particular implementation and making it more specific as far as the implementation and the benefits of the government schemes are concerned. That is the primary idea, and it is not against any religion, caste, or any particular community. But on the other hand, with the voices coming now from the opposition, certainly giving us an indication that it has gone beyond to it, but the government so far has not confirmed it. But the draft and the way the statement has come out, we can certainly say that there is something beyond to it, where government is indeed serious about making this a provision. Yes.
Right. Thank you very much for joining us with those details.